Okay, so let's start. Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's virtual conference on reliable PV module design. My name is Shravan Chunduri. I am a head of technology at TaiyangNews, all about solar. We are actually a news platform with a focus primarily on PV technology. So I am in solar for over 2 decades, and I'm really proud to work in solar, an industry that provides renewable energy, not only at lowest cost, but also offering a final product that is the solar module, which is a rare commodity that comes with a lifespan performance warranty of usually 20 to 30 years. However, today we are in a situation where the module prices have hit very unreasonable levels. If you look at our latest price index from last Thursday, it actually indicates that module prices of 68 to 78 RMB cents per watt, that is 20 to 30% down from the beginning of the year. So, and this is not really the lowest levels. These are just the average prices. So inventory products are fire cells are even less, maybe 55, 54 cents. So in other words, companies often make losses with the most products along the value chain that includes silicon, wafer, cells, and modules they are producing. What does it mean? These prices are putting the module makers in high cost pressure. So with these very low prices, what is the impact of this gigantic, life-threatening price pressure? It has created a situation on the third very important attribute of a solar module, besides power and efficiency, that is reliability. So that is also the topic of our today's conference. I would like to welcome you all for this two-day event of TaiyangNews Reliable PV Module Design Conference. We have invited key stakeholders related to the topic of reliability, that is module makers. Some of them are fully vertically integrated, material suppliers, and testing centers. So before I go into details, a few words about the event. As you can see, we have been hosting the conferences on the Zoom platform. And at TaiyangNews, we very much encourage discussion and dialogue also in our virtual events. So this is why we encourage everyone to please use the chat function to ask questions and share or comment on the subject of the conference today. So we basically think that this is a virtual coffee room where people can freely talk to each other. So please share and spread the knowledge. But since it's a non-moderated chat, we request everyone to be please nice with your comments, even if you do not agree with the opinions of other attendees who could be also possibly a competitor. So we would really like to thank our sponsors for today's event. Longi Solar and JA Solar are our diamond sponsors. Astro Energy is a gold sponsor. JTPV is the silver sponsor. And GCL and Hanzo First are the bronze sponsors. And finally, A Solar and Endurance are the silicon sponsors. So we once again like to thank our sponsors for supporting this event, without whose help we could have not made this event free for all of you. So moving on to the today's agenda, We have two arms of Kiva, that is PVEL, that is known for module testing scorecards, and PI Berlin, a well-known quality assurance provider of PV plants. So the module manufacturing stream is represented by three module makers: JA Solar, Astro Energy, and JTPV, whereas Endurance will provide the input from the material side. And towards the end, we will have a panel. And in my today's panel, Ignacio from JA Solar, Imco from Endurance, Stephen from Kiva Berlin, Pierre Berlin, and Tristan from Kiva PVL are joining me to discuss the topic. Is today's solar module testing framework is good enough to guarantee long-term reliability? And tomorrow also, we have a similar structure. As I said, we spread this event into 2 days because we have so many interesting topics we want to cover. So that's why we spread it into 2 days. And tomorrow's program is also following a similar structure. So Fraunhofer ISA is coming from the institute side. LongG, GCL, and A Solar are representing the manufacturing side. And Hanzo first will present the material segment. So tomorrow's session will be moderated by Michael Schmela, Managing Director of TaiyangNews. Then tomorrow we have a little longer panel in which Hamid from A Solar, Ingrid from Fraunhofer ISA, and Stefan from Hanzo First will join Michael for the panel. We also have Jörg from CEA in panel, though we do not have a presentation from him during the conference. So once again, quickly thanking our sponsors and our partners once again, and we will now move on to the first presentation.